This is my current nightstand. I am completely shattered. Someone has been mowing the lawn outside for the past 3 hours. Great welcome, but at least I have aircon, guys. I'm back in the land of aircon. This is the current state of my room, guys. It's like so bare and like messy at the same time. What I think I didn't tell you was that my room actually got repainted like a month ago, because my parents were like repainting the whole house, and when they asked me what color I want, like if I want to change it, because before it was yellow, I was like, I don't even care, I don't live there, I see it like once a year. Well, thank God I ended up deciding to choose a color because now I live here. Anyway, I'm not really sure if you can like see if the camera picks up the color, but it's violet blue, I would say, that almost kind of with a little bit of like a gray undertone. It's very light, it's very pastel. I basically have a duvet cover in in a similar shade that I really love, that I got at H&M Home, and I based the color of my new room off of my bedding basically. But anywho, this is what's waiting for me. I need to unpack all of these, and then I'm also gonna like sort everything out, like take everything out of the closets and completely reorganize and redesign my room. Right now my room is not me at all. I haven't lived here like properly in like 8 years. I did in between a little bit, but you know, I went to uni, I lived in Ljubljana, then I obviously moved to London. So yeah, it's not very me, and I'm planning to completely revamp it. Yesterday, when I came home at 2 AM, you know, most people would like go to bed. What did I do? I stood in the middle of the room and made redecorating plans. But I really want to like redecorate it. I'm not sure if it's gonna be feasible, but here I want to have string fairy lights and like lots of plants there, more plants here and there. Basically lots of plants. I need a new chair, I need a new bedside table. I'll show you the process as we go along, I guess. But now I have to go to work because I have a lot of work and a lot of deadlines, and I'm freaking out a bit because I'm so tired and I can't really think. Also, I'm going sailing on Saturday for a week to Croatia, and I need to unpack all of these because I need to get my summer clothes out, and they're all in those boxes. I didn't pack in a very systematic way, so they're kind of everywhere, and I don't know if I'm gonna have like time to properly unpack because I have so much work, so I'm freaking out a bit. But I'll try to do it this evening, night, and then tomorrow night as well, because I need to wash them as well before we go. Oh, such a mess. Let's go see my favorite living being. Hello. Hello. Oh. Lil sis came to the rescue. And we're watching Shane's Jeffree Star series. Living for it. Same girl, same. How was the Cheers concert last night?
Stop! It was great.
It was amazing. Okay, let's go watch Shane and unpack. These past few days have been a bit of a blur because I've had so many things on my to-do list. I've been working, I've been visiting my grandma at the hospital, I've been unpacking, I've been packing again because I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm going sailing to Croatia with my family. I don't remember the last time I vlogged. I think it was a couple of days ago when I was trying to find my summer clothes, which I did find, and now they're all packed and ready to go. We're leaving at 2 AM in the morning, and now it's like 7 PM. This is the current state of my room. I know, it is actually shocking. Keeping it real, I haven't unpacked anything. I just took everything out to find the clothes and then put everything back in. Now I need to go like do my nails and take my dog for a walk and everything. So I thought I would finish up the vlog, but before I finish it, I thought I would also show you a few gifts that my sister brought me back from the US. She was in the US this summer for like 3 weeks, I think, with her boyfriend. They were visiting his relatives there. Here they are, the goodies. So I have some, I think, cheese toasty socks, the American flag, to add to my flag collection. Then we have some pencils with really cool designs, a new planner, which thank God I was actually thinking about buying one before I left London, and thank God I didn't because yeah, I got this one and it's so pretty. Look at it, it's like marbly with like gold. Oh, so nice. And it has like a monthly overview, which I love, and then also lots of space to write, which for me is very essential. Then this is probably very random to you, but I love it. It's like a, yeah, it says dry erase board. That's like magnetic, so I can put like notes on it, or also maybe use it as like a photo background for something. I also have this what is it called? Not foam board, you know what I mean. And I'm gonna repaint that one into white, and I'm gonna like have them maybe side by side. Yeah, I think they're gonna complement each other great. Sorry about the shadows, but there's like the sunset just like right there. Last but not least, look at this, my new PJs or something. I love it. It's like a Gilmore Girls t-shirt. I love Gilmore Girls. It's one of my all-time favorite TV shows. Like along with This Is Us, I think those would be like my top 2 of all times if I had to choose. Yeah, that's a little haul. Oh, actually, let me show you as well what I got for myself as a little from me to me farewell present. I bought it at the airport. Before I went to Slovenia. This Jo Malone English Pear and Freesia cologne perfume, however you want to call it. It smells so good. I have basically been wanting this exact perfume for the past 4 years, but when I saw it I was like, no Sandra, you're not buying it until you use up all the perfumes that you own. Well, those perfumes lasted me for 4 years. I literally used them up like a couple of months ago, so I was like, you know what, when I go home I'm gonna buy myself a present and I'm finally gonna get that perfume. I wanted to get the 30ml version, which is like half cheaper. I think it's like 30 something pounds, but they didn't have it, and I was like thinking about it. I was just like, you know what, screw it, I really want this perfume, I don't have any other one. And yeah, I went with a 100ml one, which was 70 something, 75 or something like that. Smells bloody incredible, and I'm very happy I have it now. I really love it. I'm gonna go take Benji out now because he's already waiting for me and is very impatient because he needs to go for a walk. So I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I'll see you with my vlog from Croatia. I think I'm gonna be vlogging throughout the whole week and then put one vlog together, unless I ended up filming loads and I'm gonna maybe like do 2. But anyway, subscribe to stay tuned, and don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, even though it was just really shit. Let's just admit it. I literally didn't film anything and my life is a mess right now. So yeah, enough for today. I need to go. I'll see you later. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.